What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Nelson, and in today's video I will be comparing DJI's standard propellers against Master Airscrew's stealth propellers. Now these run for about 20 bucks online, and they are supposed to give you 50% less noise reduction. So that's what I'm going to be testing out right now, and also a little bit more battery life for the Mavic Air. So I have the Mavic Air. I love this drone, it's really good. Unfortunately, it is loud and the battery is not that great. And with all the new drones out on the market now, it would be better to just buy a new drone, as they are quieter, the battery life lasts a hell of a lot longer. I just want to put these to the test, as I really like this drone, so it has active track and all that. So I'm going to put that to the test today and see if they are quieter and if they're more beneficial or not. So I'm in this sort of outdoor area now. It's fairly quiet, there's a bit of ambient noise, but I'm pretty sure you'll be able to tell the difference. So I'm going to start up the drone, and then we're going to hear the standard DJI propellers, and then I'm going to change them over to the Master Airscrew propellers. So these propellers are quite easy to pop on and off, that you just basically push down and twist to the left or right depending on which one they are. Every propeller has an indicator of whether it's for the right hand side or the left hand side, and they lock in quite easily, so there should be no dramas to change them out. The material is kind of the same, but it just feels a little bit different. I'm not sure if it's made out of something different, but they both kind of feel the same. But the other one, the Master Airscrew propellers, are a tad different. They feel a tad different texture wise. And in terms of battery performance, it says on their website that I can get up to 2.8 minutes longer per battery. Now all my batteries are charged fully to 100%, so I'm going to try that and just time it, I guess, and just run a battery dead dry and then run another battery with the other propellers on dead dry as well. So yeah, I won't be doing any vigorous flying, so like no sport mode or anything like that. Just basic flying, as that's all I really do, just sort of for filming and stuff like that. So but I'm positive to see, I mean 2.8 minutes is not really much extra, but in the long run that could be, you know, a really dope shot. That could be anything really. So we're going to put that to the test today and we'll see how we go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this quite informative. Those are just my thoughts on the new propellers, so I'm fairly happy with them. If you like this video, drop us a like and leave us a comment on your thoughts if you have tried these out yet, or if you just don't think it's worth it and you'd rather upgrade to a different drone. So that's all from me, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace. By the way, I put a new skin on the drone, so I had like a red, I had the red drone in that, but I didn't really like it so much. So I purchased a drone skin and I kind of like it. It's nothing I would usually choose, but I guess it was the best one on the website that I was looking at, and it looks pretty cool. Quite easy to put on, although it does not really line up all the way perfectly. But I'm happy with it. Red is not really my color, so yeah. So anyway, I hope that all recorded.